Now it is 6 in the morning. Today I am going to show you a special thing that can only be seen during winter. So let's go. Look at the scene in front of me. It is foggy all around. Nothing can be seen except fog. It is a curious beauty of winter time.